In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a door's side and swing in your model. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select a door, reveal its on-screen controls, and use the flip arrows to change which side of the wall the door sits on and whether it swings inward or outward. This is a quick, reliable way to fix layout issues and align doors with your design intent without recreating them from scratch. First, select the door in your model. Click directly on the door element so its controls appear. You'll know you've got the right thing when the door highlights and small arrows or handles show up around it. If you don't see those controls, make sure you haven't selected the wall or a nearby object by mistake. Try clicking the door panel or frame, not the surrounding geometry. Zooming in a bit can help, and a single clean click usually does the trick. Once the door is selected, pause for a moment and confirm that the controls look like flip arrows rather than dimension grips or move handles. This ensures you're about to adjust orientation, not size or position. With the door selected, look for two sets of flip arrows. The first set flips horizontally. Use this to change which side of the wall the door is on. Think of it as mirroring the door across the wall's centerline. If the door currently opens off the hallway but needs to belong to the room, a horizontal flip repositions the door to the opposite face. This is especially helpful when a door was placed from the wrong side initially, or when you're aligning doors to finishes, corridors, or furniture layouts. After flipping horizontally, take a quick visual pass to confirm clearances look right and that the door now relates correctly to the space it serves. The second set flips vertically. Use this to change the swing direction, whether the door opens inward or outward. A vertical flip is ideal when a door opens into a tight room and you need it to swing out, or when you want it to open into the space for convenience or safety. Watch the arc indicator as you flip. It will show the new swing path so you can anticipate how the door interacts with nearby walls and fixtures. If the result isn't what you expected, simply flip again or use undo. That's all there is to it. Select the door, then use the horizontal arrows to change sides and the vertical arrows to change swing. Simple, precise, and fast.